Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how I made my MR2 Spyder a lot more convenient just with a few mods. The first one I already showed you, it's the remote opening frunk, and what I now added are these hood lifters which let you open the hood without needing the standard hood. I don't know how you call it. Alright, let's start with the new stuff. As you can see here, these are just some standard universal hood struts from Amazon, and they are 150 newtons. Oh, focus please, thank you. Which is the perfect strength if you take two of them. And then there's already they come with like M8, I think M8 studs, which you have to grind down and make an M6 on there. Then you can fit it just here. Normally goes a normal bolt which holds the fender in. You can just replace that with this stud, and I made a little spacer for that. That the whole assembly fits, and that this doesn't hit anywhere here. And then I made these are also 3D printed. These parts, oh, I don't know if you can see it, which mount the upper part. I'm not sure if these will hold up or if I will make some out of metal, but yeah, I will test that. And yeah, the install in itself was pretty easy, and it works perfect. A little update now, one day after. As you can see, the plastic mounting bracket really bent. I mean, it still holds up, but I'm not very confident that it will for very long. So I'm gonna take it off and build a mount out of metal before I put them back in. So if you close the hood, it normally closes just like it did before, and because you can buy these hood strut kits, but I heard a lot of them make like a huge panel gap right here, and that's not the case with my design. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And then I can just take what I already showed you, my where is it? Ah, there it is. My key, which doesn't want to focus again. Open it, then you still have the second latch which you have to open, and then the hood just opens up like that. I want to put or I want to connect that string up to here, that when you open the hood, this or not the hood, the frunk, this little flap will open too, because then you can also use everything one-handed, because that's something I was really annoyed of, that whenever you wanted to put something in the frunk, you always had to put everything aside, then go inside, pull on the latch, which still functions. So the latch in the glove box still functions. I just added the additional motor which opens it remotely, but you had to get in there, then go up to the front, open the frunk, then put this little stick on, and then open this. And yeah, it was just not very convenient, but like this, it's pretty awesome. And the how I did the remote frunk is I just bought a universal center lock kit, also from Amazon, and I just hooked up one of the actuators down there I will put some clips in. I hooked up one of the actuators with a little spring, as I told you in the last video, to the normal mechanism, and which opens with the key. And then I ran this is right here, I have built a little mount plate, also is 3D printed. Ran the cables all through here, down there and up here, this little control box. And this is takes power from the fuse box, because there was right here, this is fan number 3, but fan number 3 isn't hooked up, so or isn't used for anything, so I could use that. And yeah, so much about that. It works fine ever since I put it in, and yeah, so much about that. And yeah, I don't know what else I can say. If you have any questions, if you need any of the parts, if you want to build it on your own, I can put in the links for these hood struts. And if you want any of the files, or if I should print you the parts, you can just yeah, contact me if you want. And I hope this little video was informative, and maybe you want to improve your MR2 Spyder too with these little mods. I would say thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!